Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to search for visible comments on Facebook using your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. From your feed, locate the Professional Dashboard option in the left menu. If you don't see it immediately, you may need to click on See More first. Step 2. Once you've found the Professional Dashboard, click on Comments Manager in the left menu, which can be found below the Your Tools section. Step 3. Within the Comments Manager, you'll see the option to view Visible Comments. Click on it and select Visible Comments from the drop-down menu. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to search for visible comments on Facebook using your PC. This feature can be particularly useful if you want to keep track of all the comments on your posts or engage with your audience more effectively. We hope this tutorial has been helpful to you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this one. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.